Hi everyone, this is your grade 6 civics chapter 2 diversity and discrimination classwork video 1. First Roman, short answers. First question, enumerate the reasons responsible for discrimination. Answer, reasons responsible for discrimination. Underline this. Different religions, different languages, living in different regions, different customs and practices, different economic backgrounds. Okay, reasons responsible for discrimination: different religions, different languages, living in different regions, different customs and practices, different economic backgrounds. Okay, second question, endless things which we can be prejudiced about. Endless things which we can be prejudiced about. Answer, people's religious beliefs, color of people's skin, region they come from, as in they speak, clothes they wear. People's religious beliefs, color of people's skin, region they come from, as in they speak, clothes they wear. Third one, what are the facilities available in Kerala for Muslim girls which have made girl education more than any other part of the country? Answer, schools are nearer to residences. Good government bus facilities to reach schools. 60% of the teachers are women. Teachers do not face difficulties in reaching rural schools from faraway places due to travelling facilities. Okay, the next one is second Roman paragraph question answer. First question, describe the preamble of the Constitution of India. Answer, we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Children, this preamble we have read in 5th standard, right? Okay. Third Roman, detailed question answer. First one, what safeguards have been provided in the Constitution of India against inequality and discrimination? Answer, everyone has equal rights and opportunities. Untouchability is seen as a crime. It has been legally abolished. People are free to choose any kind of work. Government jobs are open to all people. Right, complete spelling for government, Government, government. Okay. Specific steps to realize this right to equality for poor and other marginal communities. Respect to diversity ensures equality. Freedom to follow any religion. Freedom to speak their own language. Freedom to celebrate their festivals. Freedom to express oneself. That's all, children. Your civics lesson 2 is over. Classbook is over. Thank you. Thank you for watching.